Highway, you didn't talk. Our friendly neighbours. Oh, was he?
You should never have a stick connected to your car, that's what I say.
Oh no, people's got. Well, this is us leaving the campsite on the way to Wicklow.
Which campsite?
In Coral Gables.
Coral Gables.
And we're off there.
Campsite.
Yeah, we should probably have introduced that, shouldn't we? Because we haven't done anything for 2 days.
Why haven't we done anything today?
Bit stressful. Bit stressful. Bit of a car problem.
Which is now fixed.
Which is now fixed this morning thanks to the local mechanic. About 100 metres that way.
Lyman Garage.
Even Ellis is behaving so far. Impressive. We'll see how long that lasts. Because we're still on campsite number 1.
It's not promising the rest of the week.
Yeah, for the rest of the holiday.
Yeah. And thereafter, yeah.
And amazing.
And we're off today to somewhere.
Wicklow.
Wicklow.
Wicklow Mountains.
Mountains that are actually little
waterfalls.
bumps.
We're going to go see waterfalls, so we get a bit of drone footage. Eagle's got the 360.
I'm no longer sticking out the window because I do not trust myself. I do not trust that window.
Words out of his own mouth.
I used like somebody lost the big mirror.
Yeah, because you didn't put it on.
Oh my god. That is shocking. Okay, I just need to defend myself. So,
Good luck.
Well, it's quite funny how the one Jeff put on that thing.
there is time for you to exit the car. How rude. So,
Chuck and
we
roll.
left the house and we realised about 100 metres from the house that we didn't have the wing mirrors on, the towing wing mirrors, which is a notorious thing for Jeff and I to forget these wing mirrors, so we stopped. And we got the wing mirrors and we put them on. And then from Weymouth to probably as you enter Wales, my one blew off the car.
Suspension.
Through no fault of mine. Over a bridge on a motorway, couldn't stop and get it. What can I say? Anyway, that's only where the problems began because already the car was making
What about Yeovil, mate?
horrible sound within 20 minutes of leaving the house. So we were thinking, we didn't know what it was. We thought maybe the towing weight was at its limit and maybe we'd kind of overdone it a bit. But Jeff has towed everything in every car, so we were like, yeah, Jeff thinks there's something wrong. Just thought there was something wrong. Just thought it was the gearbox. It got worse and worse. Didn't think we were going to make it to the ferry at Ford. We did make it to the ferry, cruised on with the most horrendous noise. But luckily the campsite, the other side, was only 5 minutes from the ferry, which is where we're staying now. Luckily, chatting to a local Irishman staying at the same campsite, he suggested that it may not be the car, gearbox, and there's a mechanic 100 metres behind the campsite. So we went to see him and he said that it's the exhaust, and as part of the exhaust has rotted away. So now this morning he's fixed it for €100. Which is just as well because we couldn't hire a car with a tow bar for love nor money. Apparently they're a bit like gold dust in this country. So we are now on the road again and there's no noise. No noise, really smooth, although we haven't towed yet with the exhaust fixed to know that the towing wasn't the problem. So we'll find that out tomorrow morning when we leave this campsite on our way to the walk. And now I've probably not even redeemed myself, but at least explained
What's up?
what's up. That's where we are. I have to say though, on camera, it's not rained.
That's another thing with our holidays. At least holidays with touristy spots. We're virtually guaranteed rain.
Now you can talk.
I was
Demonetised.
going to say, I got the look. I could see it through your glasses. Right, be quiet.
Pixie poo! Hello, Pickles! Where you been? Where you been? Hello, baby.